This is the flag of Oman. This is the map of Oman. In the north, we can see Muscat Peninsula in between the Persian Gulf and the Strait of Hormuz. In the west, the land borders are formed by United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia, and Yemen. On the east, it's totally coastal area. We can see the Gulf of Oman and the Arabian Sea, which borders the East Oman. Muscat is the capital city, and we can see the imaginary line Tropic of Cancer is close to Muscat. We will tour Oman this time. We'll start from Kolkata and we'll reach Oman via New Delhi. At present, we are now waiting in Kolkata International Airport. We'll take Air India flight to New Delhi. We have reached Delhi. Again, we have to take a 3 hours transit time here for our Air India flight to Muscat, which is the capital of Oman. These are all the souvenirs of India displayed in the duty-free shops of New Delhi Airport. After immigration, we took our flight for Oman. We reached Muscat after 3.5 hours flight. This is Muscat Airport. This is the diagram of Muscat Airport. Oman, officially the Sultanate of Oman, is a country in West Asia. It is located in the southeastern coast of Arabian Peninsula and overlooks the mouth of the Persian Gulf. We took our cab from the airport to reach our hotel. It is around 12:30 a.m. midnight. We are now driving along Sultan Qaboos Road. On the way, we can see illuminated Grand Mosque of Muscat. This is also another private mosque of Muscat. This is a big hotel here, Al Noor Grand Hotel. We are now close to our hotel where we will stay. We have reached our hotel. This is Rosanna Hotel. This was the car by which we came from the airport. Next day morning, it is the breakfast time. After breakfast, we'll go for the first day sightseeing of Oman. We'll first visit Nizwa Souq and then take a walking tour of the Nizwa Fort Complex. Nizwa is the oldest city of Oman. Hamrat mountains are seen in the front. It's a beautiful scenic drive. Oman has one of the most diverse environments in the Middle East with various tourist attractions and is particularly well known for adventure and cultural tourism. Muscat, the capital of Oman, was named the second best city to visit in the world in 2012 by the travel guide Lonely Planet. This is the biggest shopping complex of Oman called Mall of Oman. This is Mr. Suleiman, our driver cum guide. He's a very nice gentleman. The city of Muscat. We are now going to Nizwa. It's an old city here in Muscat. Muscat was also chosen as the capital of Arab tourism. Tourism in Oman has grown considerably recently, and it is expected to be one of the largest industries in the country. Look at the colors of the mountain. One looks greenish and the other is slightly reddish. This is due to the presence of different minerals in the rocks of the mountain. Oman is famous for its ancient Aflaj oasis irrigation system, terraced orchards in Jebel Akhdar, adobe fortresses, lots of mosques, wadis, that means stream valleys, dhaws, that means traditional Arabian sailing ships, meteorites, and Al Said, the world's third largest yacht owned by the Sultan. These are all different mosques related to a local unit. The Sultanate of Oman is the oldest independent state in the Arab world. All are date palm plantations. Our car is going at a speed of 124 kilometers per hour, which is the average speed here. On the right side, we can see the Nizwa University. We are now close to the Nizwa city. Now we'll take a right turn from here. We are now entering the Nizwa gate. Just have a look at the decorative street lamps. They are equally placed and they look so nice. At first, we'll visit the old town of Nizwa. The rainwater has not receded yet, and you know that a couple of days ago there was heavy rainfall here, and in the news you have read Dubai city was flooded. This part of the Oman was also faced heavy rainfalls. We are now in Nizwa. Yesterday's rain did this flooding. Our car was parked in the parking area. Oman Tour. We have come to see the old city of Nizwa. You can see here, this is the fort and the souq inside. And if you show you this side, you can see the rainwater. Yesterday's rain has caused flooding here. It's a flooding here. You can see all the people are walking in the water. We'll now see the Nizwa Souq. We are now in the souq. This is the vegetable market. The authentic Nizwa Souq is an excellent place for learning about Omani culture and interacting with the Omanis. This souq is truly unique and beautiful, and it's really worth a visit. You see here they sell herbs, oils, honey and local products. These are Omanis desserts. These are evil eye souvenirs you have seen throughout Middle East countries. This is an antique shop. If you are looking for a souvenir, your best option is to buy a frankincense and a pottery incense burner or spices. Okay, good, very good. And that car? Okay. From here, we are getting a bird's eye view of the souq. Now we'll visit the main dates market. This is a vintage car of Nizwa Tours. Nizwa tourism cards. Oh. Okay. So you go around?
Yeah, inside the old village.
Inside the old village?
Yeah.
How much do you charge?
2 person 6 riyal.
2% 6 riyal?
Yeah.
Okay.
30 minutes.
Or 30 minutes?
Yes.
Now we are again in a different part of the souq. Souvenirs of Oman. Nizwa Fort was built in 1650 by the second Yarub Imam Sultan bin Saif, although its underlying structure goes back to the 12th century. This is Nizwa Fort. You can see the Omani flag. The fort was the administrative seat of authority for the presiding imams and walis in times of peace and conflict. It is Oman's most visited national monument. The main bulk of the fort took about 12 years to complete and was built above an underground stream. 2 cannons guard the entrance to the fort, which opens into a maze of rooms, high-ceilinged walls, doorways, terraces, narrow staircases and corridors. And this is the entry point of Nizwa Fort. This is the 12-pounded Liberian cannon, a 16th century bronze cast cannon. And this is Swedish Finnbanker, a 18-pounder cannon. And this belongs to the 18th century, a cast iron cannon. These are the King's Army. I also participated here. This is the well of the Nizwa Fort. This is the castle door. This is the well from where they used to fetch water. These are Omani women displaying their handicrafts. We are now going to the fort. 66 stairs. We have to go up there on the top. You see the canyons are placed there. This Nizwa fort was a formidable stronghold against raiding forces that desired Nizwa's abundant natural wealth and its strategic location at the crossroad of vital routes. We are now on top of the fort. Nizwa Fort's design reflects the Omani architectural ingenuity in the Yarubi era that witnessed considerable advancement in military fortifications and the introduction of mortar-based warfare. The main part of the fort is its enormous drum-like tower. The design of the tower, complete with battlements, turret, secret shafts, false doors, and wells, incorporates a great deal of architectural deception. 4 cannons remain on the tower's top, which once served as the fort's main firepower. Access to the top is only by means of a narrow, twisty staircase, barred by a very heavy wooden door studded with metal spikes. Our visits to Nizwa Fort complex is complete. We'll next visit to Al Hamra Mountains. This is a bank of Nizwa. In my next video, see the Al Hamra Mountain Tour. After seeing my videos, please do like, share and comment. And please do not forget to subscribe my channel.